Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram can't send DM problem. So if you're facing this problem, then whenever you try to send DM, which means message to somebody on your, Instagram message, it's not gonna be sent because you can't, all right? Now, the major reason behind this could be your internet connection. If you have a slow internet connection, then your message is not gonna be sent to that person. So make sure to check if your internet connection is stable or not, all right? And internet connection is stable and fast enough to send message and it's still not sending message, then there could be a problem and you need to watch the video. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. So if you have a slow internet, make sure to change to a data connection or change to another internet connection, all right? And the other thing could be like your Instagram is not up to date. So there are some bugs in Instagram. So Instagram brings out update every single month. So you need to go to App Store over here or Play Store, and over here on search, you want to search for Instagram. After you search for Instagram, you need to click on Instagram. If it says open, it's up to date. If it says update instead of open, you need to click on update in order to update your Instagram, and it should be fixed. And even after updating your Instagram, if it's still not fixed, then what you need to do is check if Instagram servers are offline. So Instagram servers from time to time goes into maintenance break. So if you're trying to send message to your friends during the maintenance break time, then it's not going to be sent. And in order to see if it is under maintenance break or not, you can ask your friend like if their Instagram is working properly or not. If most of your friends' Instagram is not working, then probably Instagram server is down. But if only your Instagram is not working, then basically the servers are not down. It's your problem. All right. And in that case, you can just do what I just said. Check your internet, update Instagram. And the other thing you can do is delete and reinstall Instagram. Sometimes just deleting and reinstalling your Instagram also just fixes your problem. All right. And the other thing what you can do is if the person you're trying to send message to has blocked you, then you cannot send a message. And in order to send message to the person who has blocked you, the person needs to unblock you, then only you can send message, all right? So in that case, you can check if the person has blocked you or not. You can just go to their profile. If you can't see their profile, then they have blocked you. So the only way to fix that is by unblocking you, all right? And they need to decide whether they want to unblock you or not. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can fix Instagram can't send DM. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Want to step? Bye-bye.